What's going on, guys? Back with another Chomper exhaust video, and you might have seen previously where we installed the cherry bomb glass packs on here, and at first I didn't really like it because it took out so much of that volume, but I've actually grown to really enjoy it, and that video is performing really well. So a lot of y'all had commented saying that you wanted to see more exhaust videos similar to that, and I thought instead of just going to get another popular muffler to hear what it sounds like, let's do something a little more outlandish and dumb. So I went over to Amazon and I picked up these bad boys, which some might call a rice rocket muffler, a fart can muffler. I don't really know. I just know they're typically found on the back of a Honda Civic, and I thought it'd be hilarious if we put them on my cammed V8 and they actually sound good. So that's exactly what we're gonna be testing out in today's video. Well, I wanted to hang these off the back just like the tips so you could actually see them, but if you can tell, our hangers are actually welded to the tips themselves. So if we cut the tip off, we're just gonna have floppy exhaust pipes. So we're gonna go ahead, take them off all the way up there at the cherry bombs and put them in right there. There's been a lot of people in my previous videos commenting saying that I need to take the spare out of Chomper, that it would look better. And so we're actually doing it today. So before we throw these bad boys on, we obviously have to crank it up as is with the exhaust off. Go out, get a couple test passes, see what it sounds like so that we can have a side-by-side comparison once we throw these on there. Not expecting much past the idle currently because it is just chopped off after the Y pipe. And right there. So probably going to sound good at idle and then be super raspy and gross sounding at anything else. So yeah, let's crank it up, see what she sounds like. Sounding like a straight up dirt track car, very hollow and drony. Hopefully these things are going to sit side by side as well. This is gonna look so freaking ridiculous. It's gonna be amazing. Just sucked my glove up. That's close. They are close. Little offset. Why does this look awesome? Dude, it's on there. They're so close to touching right there. Hopefully they won't rattle. Why does this look freaking amazing to me? I just hope it sounds good. I think that'd be so freaking hilarious for these fart cans to sound amazing on this cammed V8. I mean, surely to goodness it's going to tone it up some because y'all heard it. Driving it down the road, it sounds pretty terrible. Revving it up and stuff sounds cool, but not driving. So, yeah, first start up. Let's see how she sounds. tone it down a ton, it's definitely a lot quieter than without it. I mean, it sounds pretty freaking good. Alright guys, well y'all be sure to comment down below and let me know what you think about these mufflers, resonators, exhaust tips, whatever you want to call them, on Chomper. I think it is hilarious how good it sounds. Even more hilarious how big of a flame it spits because it's so short and, you know, it's half the pipe and the muffler is smaller as well. I'm sure that helps. Also, dude, Chomper is looking freaking clean without that spare tire. That looks so much better. I know a ton of y'all have commented saying take the spare off, and I'm glad we finally did because it do be looking clean and saved us some weight. That's so freaking funny. It just cracks me up. I actually really like it. I might leave it for a bit. But I'm also, you know, having fun swapping up the exhaust for these videos, and y'all seem to be enjoying it as well. So might keep the trend going, try out something else. Definitely leave me some feedback down below. Let me know what you think we should try on here. Or should we leave this for a bit because it's just freaking hilarious and actually works really nicely. Only negative is it being right here and not being a turn down. I mean, the freaking flame that came out of this thing probably was back there to our shock. Which I'm not just riding around shooting flames everywhere, but you know, our gas tank's right there. It's okay, but it's probably not the best. But I actually really enjoy it, so I might leave it for a bit. Either way, we got some driving, or in-cab driving, and then that'll be the video. So hopefully y'all did enjoy. Comment down below, let me know. Definitely tell where it's exiting back there right before the rear axle. You can just feel it. Little buffery, drony. Obviously, I'm assuming probably no one's going to